So today, once this decides that, there we go, it decides to focus. Today we're looking at a new camera bag, and I'm going to take this camera bag on a 5-day trip. So we're going to start right now with just taking a look at it. And this is the Pocket Ranger by VSGO. So they call it the Pocket Ranger. Um, Definitely not something that's fitting in your pocket. We have reviewed some of the VSGO gear before, and I've been very pleased with it. I have their little 6-liter bag with nice little day bag, but this is bigger, as you can see. Like it's got a good size. So I thought this would be a nice bag to take on my trip. Now, this is of course, camera travel bag. I'm dropping all kinds of boxes here. A camera travel bag. So it comes with the insert, which is here. We'll get to that in a minute. And it comes with the actual bag. So a few different things in regards to this bag. You see Teflon fabric. That's exciting. Has a patented magnetic hook system, open simply by lifting. And I think this is really kind of something that they kind of do, because they had this neat little hook system on their, I want to say, day bag as well. And you kind of just have a little bit of information in regards to it. Now, they do make this bag in a 35-liter, which is what I have. But if this is too big, then they also have a 25-liter. So just to kind of be aware. Now, feature-wise of this bag, it's kind of interesting. They have a few little things here like that you can attach things to if you so choose to. This is that little system that they kind of talk about, as you can see, right? It has this pull. It says pull here. So as far as I know, you just pull this somehow. Oh, it's right there. So you pull it out, right? And it comes off. So when you need to reattach, it's simply just magnets on. Magnets, glorious, right? And because, of course, all the pressure now would be down on this would stay attached. So it's just a lift and it's pull. And as you can see here, this has like a notch in it, a groove, which matches up with this groove. So if you try to pull forward like this, it doesn't actually detach, right? It doesn't actually come out. So you kind of have to just lift it with this, right? It has that kind of backward pull versus this. That is kind of cool, right? So let's say you have this open, of course. This now is going to open up. So it keeps the little drawstrings, which is nice because it opens up. And then hopefully you guys can see this. I'll move this back a little bit. It opens up here, which you have your little pull strings that come out. And now there's this zipper. Of course, this is the actual back of it, right? So it opens up. And if you look here, hopefully you guys can see this, right? Look here. There's actually you pull down. There's, as far as I know, there's actually if I pull it all the way down, maybe. Yeah, there's another zipper in here. See this one right here? Now, depending on your usage, you may want this one closed, right? And that would be your main closing strap. But if you kept this other one open, what happens is now the bag actually expands. So you get that ability to actually put more in it. Well, this would be your primary zipper at that point, right? To open it up. Cool. If you don't need all that extra, right? You just kind of fold this back up. And now it's a little smaller. Of course, you do have, again, little areas here to be able to hang stuff off of, which is cool. There's tons of little hanging spots all over the place on this, which is kind of neat. Plus, on the side here, hopefully you guys see that, you have spots. Now, this could be where you put your tripod legs, just kind of throw them in there. Or put a water bottle, whatever. Just kind of fits in there. Again, very nice. If you flip this over, this, of course, is where the strap is coming here. And this is kind of neat, actually. If you look at this inside, do it here really fast. Inside here, you'll see this kind of opens up, right? It opens up here, and there's these little attach points. This allows you to actually move this part to adjust the actual shoulder. So if you want the bag to sit higher, if you want the bag to sit lower, you can actually adjust it inside here. Yeah, that's cool. I'm down with that. Again, you're going to have little spots here. they actually talk about, I think it's this strap here, that you can use. And it's funny because in their little ad thing where they talk about it, they talk about like a quick release camera mount that you can put on here. So because this is so wide, which is great, it's great because of the fact that now it's, that weight is going to be dispersed. I always, you get a camera bag and they have thin straps, especially for those of us that carry maybe a lot, or you carry, you're a bigger guy, whatever. They kind of dig in sometimes. That's a nice wide strap. So they give you this to mount your actual camera mount to, if you want to be able to attach it again on either side, which is cool. Again, you have more little mounting points. I love the fact that they come with these, which again kind of wraps around your chest, but they open up a little bit. So you got a smartphone, keep it accessible, right? In it goes. You got 2 smartphones, put the other one on the other side, put your wallet in there. It don't matter. It don't matter, right? Or maybe you have, like me, and you have, let's say, a DJI thing, right? You could throw that in there. Now I got the extended stuff on there, but even if you just wanted to keep that there for now, you can zip that up a little bit so that it's a little easier to get a hold of, right? It doesn't cover the whole thing, but if you have some action cams or whatever you want to throw in there, you should be good to go. So that's kind of cool. I'm just going to throw that over there. Maybe some extra battery packs, etc., right? So that kind of goes in there. Also, on the waist strap, even the waist strap has a little pocketable stuff. So again, you got a waist strap. I'll use the same. Here's my broken. Look at that poor thing, right? That goes in there. Cool. If you're gonna put it in there because of the mesh, make sure you have a protector for the actual lenses. You know what I'm saying, right? But there's just so much pockets on this thing, which is great. Now, when you actually open this up, so again, we have a little belt strap, so just kind of, how does this click? There's got to be something. Oh, this is neat. See this? See this right here? Right? It's a whistle. So if you're in this position somewhere and you're like, oh no, I need help for whatever reason. This has got maybe you just push these. Yeah, there it is. So just push those in, opens up. Yes. Same thing with your belt. Same idea, right? Big clamp here, which is awesome. And then you have access to the actual back, right? Now, also cool, you get a little handle if you want to be able to top hold this. And why wouldn't you, right? Little top hole. And then you have that ability to open this up, which, of course, you open, right? This now opens up and you have access to the actual camera compartment. Yes? So there you go. So now if you wanted to, you could just be like, you know what? I'm using this for clothes. That's all that's going in here. Right? It's just a clothes bag, right? But no, that's not what's happening on this trip. I am bringing some cameras, but I'm not bringing big cameras because of what I'm doing. I'm really bringing like a couple Insta360 cameras. I'm bringing my Osmo Pocket, and that's really about it. So this is their little do-it-yourself kit, I want to say. This is going to be all the little inserts that you and I can place depending on how you want to organize all this stuff. I'll just throw that over there because that's excellent. Just take all this stuff off. And here's what I think is kind of cool. It's simple. It's a simple concept, right? This sits up here. If you want it full size, you're good to go. If you don't want it full size, right, you can actually spin these down like this, which is what I'm going to do, like so. And I think this one has a bottom here as well. Yes? Too much Velcro. Way too much Velcro. So we have all this. So this opens up. I don't know if there's a front and a back. I think it's this way. Anyways, this goes in like this. Yes. Just kind of put this down. This one comes in again here. Put this down. And then that little Pocket Ranger, right, has a little set of straps here. Now, I think I have this the right way. I guess we'll find out shortly. Anyways, so what you can see here is this now has that ability to fold. So it's a smaller camera bag. So you can actually have the bag part so that part that you're going to hold your camera in, it can either be bigger or larger. For me, it's small. Small is good, right? Because I'm only carrying some, like I said, action cams and my Osmo, plus maybe some batteries. So I just want the small. So I'm going to actually put this in and I'll be right back. Okay, so just so you know, there's all kinds of ways, and this isn't going to be final by any means. I got everything kind of just jammed in there. So for me, I don't need a lot of stuff for this trip, so I really just needed some areas for clothes, and again, it's for my little cameras. So let's say I've got a couple of Insta360s, right? I am going to put lens covers on those, so I might put you there, you know, throw some of these in here just so they're somewhat protected. There will have cases on there, of course, right? But I just want to make sure that I carry them. I'm going to have my Osmo over here so you can sit in this area. Just again, make sure all this is attached properly. All right, so I'm just going to kind of snag that in there, make sure I have the right amount of space. So again, these are all movable, right? That Velcro is tight, so just kind of be aware. Actually, what I may do is move these over here. I think that would be smarter. You know, lens up, hit that. Yeah, there we go. And I can put that over there. And I can put, you know, all kinds of other stuff, batteries or whatever. Anyway, you can organize this however you want. That's the main part, right? And then, of course, it does have a little spot. Now, it's got a bit of protection here. You gotta maybe see it there right in this area here. It's got a bit of protection for, let's say, a laptop, right? Have I seen maybe more protection on some bags? Yeah, but it is up against your back, so that should be fine. Anyways, that's pretty cool. And I do love the fact that once you're you know, you're in here and you're doing whatever you need to inside this, right, to get into this area, with the two zippers, if you want, you can kind of just hold them together. Well, or maybe not. Anyways, just kind of get that up. But I do like the fact that this here area, you just kind of pull it down. You just kind of slap that down, put this part on. So once it's on there, now my bag's not very full, of course. So it doesn't have a lot of tightness, but if your bag was more full to it, of course, these would tighten up inside here, which I kind of like. And those straps, you know, the straps are firm for sure. Because again, you can just take this, which I kind of think is cool, is you open this part up and there's these little side zippers, right? So you can get in right from the top like this without actually opening this part. So this part kind of stays, you know, you can get into the top, get into your bag. There's actually another little pocket in there. Why not? You know, and then when you're done, you just kind of take these, you pull these down, you grab the side straps and you just snug that down like so. And then again, you just take this and snap it up here and you're good. All right, handle there. There is, as far as I know, inside this is removable, and I think there's like a hard plastic piece in here just to kind of keep this area firm. Anyways, I'm gonna go pack it up, get ready for my trip, and when I get back, I'll let you guys know, I'll let you guys know why my camera's not focusing again. Sometimes I think it's the glasses. It just doesn't like the glasses for some reason. Anyways, there it is. Yeah, so anyways, what I'll do is when I get back from my trip, I'll give you a little follow-up just to let you know my thoughts.